Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at Vulnversity and learn about active recon, web app attack, and privilege escalation. I've already start the box and receive an IP address. I started doing it, but I stopped, so I can go over the previous task 2 and then we can take it from there. Reconnaissance, they want us to scan the machine using nmap, which I've already done. We can take a look at the scan. Okay, there it is. We have a couple of ports open. We have FTP, SSH, NetBIOS. We have HTTP proxy and Apache running. For question number 1, scan the box. How many ports are open? We have 6. We can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What version of the squid proxy is running on the machine? That would be 3.5.12. How many ports will nmap scan if the flag is -p-400? That would be 400, but let's take a look. Let's do man nmap, and we're gonna look for the flag, which is -p dash. The -p option by itself just gonna scan one port or a couple. Like if you wanna scan 3, 4 port, we can say -p port 80, 22, port 25. But if we do -p dash by itself, that will scan all the port that we have, which is this. But if we specify a number after it, then that's what it's gonna scan. So for our question, how many port will it scan if we use -p-400? That would be 400. What is the most likely operating system this machine is running? We can see everything here is Ubuntu. We have Ubuntu. We have Ubuntu. So we can take a good guess that the OS is Ubuntu. What port is the web server is running on? That will be 33333. Over here, running Apache version 2.4.18. And the last question is, what is the flag for enabling verbose? If we look at the cheat sheet that they provide us, we can see -v is for verbose, and that's all. Let's see, it is essential to ensure you are always doing your reconnaissance thoroughly before progressing, knowing all open service, which can all be points of exploitation, is very important. Don't forget that ports on a higher range might be open, so constantly scan ports after 1000, even if you leave checking in the background. We're not gonna do that. Let's move to task number 3. Using a fast directory discovery tool called Gobuster, you will locate a directory to which you can use to upload a shell. Let's start by scanning the website to find any hiding directory. To do this, we're going to use Gobuster. Let's close out of this. Let's clear this out. Let me see something. 10.10.125.235. Okay, then we can say Gobuster there -u http port number flag, not the port, -w for wordless USO share wordless Gobuster directory list 2.3 medium. We're using the medium.txt. Let's give this a go. Okay, we have some action. We have an image directory. We have a CSS, JS. What else do we have? Let me see what's the question. Have successfully configured Gobuster. We have a font, we have eternal. We can take a look at what they are. Yes, we can mark complete. What is the directory that has an upload form page? We can stop the scan. We can take a look at images and see what that is. Let's see. 10.10, 125, 135, 333, and images. We see how we have a bunch of image. Oh, graduation. Event. Nothing too important. A bunch of images. Bible study or whatever study that is. Okay, let's keep it moving. We can take a look at CSS. Oops, what did I do? Okay, we have, let's see what they are. I guess that's how the page is formatted. Okay, we don't have anything. Fonts, we can take a look at the fonts. Okay, not what we're looking for, because we're looking for an upload pages. Let's check internal. Bingo, there you go. Internal is the answer that we're looking for. What is a directory that has an upload form? We can put that internal. Okay, now let's move to compromise the web server. Now that you have found a form to upload files, we can leverage this to upload and execute our payload, which will lead to compromising the web server. We will force the upload form to identify which extensions are not blocked. To do this, we will use Burp Suite. If you need clarification on what Burp Suite is and how to set it up, please complete our Burp Suite module first. No, we're not gonna do that. We're just going to wing it. Let's see. Okay, well, let's go give it a shot. Let's go give it a shot. Okay. Let's go to proxy. We're gonna use the Burp Suite browser because it's already configured with Burp Suite. We can just copy this, put it here. Okay, we can go back here. We're going to use intruder used for automating customized attack. To begin, make a word list with the following extension. We're not gonna do that either. Let's see. Right, so we're going to turn the intercept on. We're going to choose a file. Where are my file? Actually, let's see, tools, HP. Let's choose the first one. We're gonna say open, submit. That is the request. Now we're going to send it to intruder. Okay. So we can start our attack. What do they want us to do? Oh, click on position. We need to click the position tab now, find the file name and add an S to the extension. It should look like this. Okay, this is what we need, and then we're gonna say click add. Is that correct? Yep, looks correct to me. And then we're going to I feel like something is missing. I'm not quite sure what it is. Okay, well, let's click attack and see what happened. Yeah, I figured something was missing because, yep, the list is empty. Oh, is it here? Oh, okay. So we can just add that PHP, that PHTML, that PHP5, that PHP5, and well, let's add one more. That PHP3. So now we can start the attack and see what happens. So start the attack. Okay, we know. Let's. What just happened? Where? Oh, over here. Okay. Let's check this one out. The response. Extension not allowed. HTML. Extension not allowed. Extension not allowed. Huh. Pretty much everything is not allowed. Oh well. Well, that cannot be true because one of these have to be allowed. Okay, well, Websuite did not do anything for us. Let's close out Discord. Close. Yes. Okay, well, let's see. I do have a script I can use. Where is it at? CD, that's CD. Is it? Yep. This CD tools. Which one is it? CD PHP bundle. Hopefully it works. What is the question? Oh, we need to get a reverse shell. What common file type you will want to upload to exploit the server is black. Try a couple to find out. Well, based on the list that they gave us, we know it's a PHP. It's gonna be one of those PHP file, PHP extension .php. I understand that Websuite tool and its purpose during pen testing. Yes, but everything was not allowed, so I don't know. What extension is allowed after running the above exercise? Well, let's find out. Which one is it? It's the .py. Let's do py. Oh, Python 3 extension checker. Oh, let's cross our fingers. Let's hope it works. 10.10.125.135. The port number is 1233. Oh, look at that. My script is better than Websuite. Okay, so we know it's gonna be PHTML is allowed. Okay, well, that's good to know. Okay, that PHTML. You can submit that. That is correct. While completing the above exercise, I have successfully downloaded the PHP with a shell. Let's see. What is the name of the user who managed the web server? Well, we have not get that far. Let's go back. CD PHP list. We're going to say gedit. We need to, what's the IP address we're going to be using? Let's see. if config, we need this IP address, copy, paste, 10.14.91.201, let's see, 10.14.91.201, let's save. Okay, let's exit out of here. Let's do add cat to receive our reverse shell, and c-l vn-b 1234, that's the port. Now we need to upload the PHP file, which is our shell. Submit. Nothing happened. That's because we need to click on it. We need to go to the upload page. Upload. Hopefully it doesn't upload page. Oh, there. Okay, there you go. We're gonna click on our shell. Voila, we receive our reverse shell. Let's make this bigger. So now we need to stabilize the shell. First thing first, we're going to do Python 3-c import pty.spawn. I cannot type bin bash close. Okay, I think let's see. Python 3-c import pty spawn double quotation mark bin bash quotation mark. Alright, perfect. Voila, we're gonna do export term equal x term. Okay, now we're gonna do a Control Z to background this. Now we're going to do stty war echo and fg for foreground. That should bring back our shell, but a more stabilized one, a stable one. We need to press enter. There you go. Now we have our shell. We can clear now the screen. We can go all the way back to the root. Oh, I forgot. What was the question that we need to answer? What is the name of the user who manage the web server? Let's see. Let's do a cat-etc-pass wd. We do have a bill. That's the only one that we have, so that must be it. Bill is our guy. Bill. What is the user flag? Let's go to home. Bill list cat user .txt. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Okay, we're done with task number 4. Now we can move to the last section. Now that you have compromised this machine, we will escalate our privileges and become the super user. Root in Linux, SUID is a particular type of file permission given to a file. SUID gives temporary permissions to a user to run the program file with the permission of the file owner rather than the user who run it. For example, the binary file to change your password as the set UID bit set on it. This is because to change your password, you will need to write to the shadow words file that you do not have access to. Root does, so it has root privilege to make the right changes. So this is regular. Well, the top one is pretty much regular permission without the SUID set, and then the bottom, the S, is pretty much how you know a file has the set UID. Okay, on the system, search for all the SUID file. Which files stand out? Let's see. what do we have? We can use find. We're gonna search the whole system, root dash type, F for file, perm, we're looking for permission, dash 4000, that's the permission usually for SUID, and we can send everything that we don't need, I don't know, somewhere, to dev no, meaning anything we don't have access to. Instead of getting permission denied, we're gonna send them to the dev null directory, so it won't show up on the screen. Let's see, do we have anything? Oh, we have something. Okay, so pretty much all of these have the SUID set on them. So how do we know which one that we're looking for? We can look in our system, but I don't have a Linux machine. Oh well. Oh, what am I saying? I am in www data. Let me open another tab. Okay, let's run this in our machine. Find dash type dash F dash perm dash 4000 to dev null. Okay, we have something. Come on. I'm pretty sure there's way more than this. This is super slow. Okay, this is taking too long. Okay, well, this is not helping. But, maybe not. Okay, well, let's see if we can compare them. We have sudo ncf mount p pass wd chsh pkz on mount sur gp password. Let's see over here. Okay, some of these are the same. We have on mount ping, fuse mount, ping 6, su, gp password. The only thing out here that doesn't look normal to me will be the BenCTL. I mean, there's no BenCTL in here. Well, let's see if this is our answer. Let's cross our fingers. Oh, look at that. Perfect. What is the root flag value? Seriously, that's all? No hint, no nothing? Let's go and go to, is it GT or Ben? GTI, GTO? It's something, Ben. I'm pretty sure Google will help us. And it's probably GTO. Oh yeah, GTF opens. Let's type system CTL. Okay. If the binary has a set UID bit set, it does not drop the evaluate privilege and may be abused to access file system, escalate or maintain privilege access as a SUID backdoor. If it is used to run SHP, omit the -p argument on the system like Debian. Okay, so I guess we can use this version. Okay, this is going to create a temporary system D service that's gonna execute it once, because type one shot, that means this is gonna run one time. Echo service, they're creating a service. Well, this one is pretty much going to display the Ben bash, the Ben SHID on file. We need to change that. We don't need that. We're gonna have to do some customization because we need to give bash the SUID so we can get root. Okay, well, let's take this, copy. Let's go back to our terminal. No, which one is it? Is it this one? Yep, it is. So let's do gedit. Let's name this preview. Gedit. Let's name it no one. Let's paste this. Everything's going to stay except the exec start, because we're not trying to get any ID. We're trying to get root access. We're gonna say .s. We're gonna set that to bin bash. Bin bash. That should be all. Pretty much all that does is it's gonna create a system, and then it's gonna set the SUID on bin bash. I create a system D service, which is the systemctl, but since systemctl already have the set UID, we also need to set bin bash with the same permission. Let's copy this. Copy. We don't need this anymore. Close without saving. Let's go here. Hopefully we can paste this thing. Let's see. Can we paste? Yes, we can. Huh. Let's cross our finger that this work. Paste. Oh, it does. It did not work. Something is wrong, because it should not have asked us for sudo password, because I don't have. Oh, so something is wrong. Let's cancel out of this. Something is wrong with the code. Oh, okay, I see what's the problem. This should not. Oh, this should not be in there. We don't need sudo install. We're not installing anything. All right, let's try this again. Oh, I erased it. All right, let's do it again. I should have saved it, but we didn't. Paste. Yeah, we're not installing, so this is what's causing the problem. We're not installing anything. So let's take this out. Let's do the same thing as chmod s bin bash okay, so okay, because the only reason we don't need the top section I deleted is because systemctl already has the SUID set, so we're not trying to do anything with it. Copy. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna delete this in case it doesn't work again. Okay, let's give this another go. Paste. Paste. We are in business. Let's press enter. Look at that. Now we are in business. Now to get root access, we just have to run bin bash. We have to run bin bash with -p, and then we should be root and get the flag. Let's say bin, well, let's type, let's say bash -p. Hopefully it works. It didn't work actually. Something is wrong. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. let's try this again and see why didn't it work. Oh, I know why it didn't work. Because according to this, it's running this in the current because of the dot. It's running it in the current directory, and I'm not. And it's not supposed to. It's supposed to be running in bin. So let's try it. Let's run this and change it to bin systemctl enable and see what happened. Let's run it again. Bin bash dash p. There you go. We are root. Who am I? I am root. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going looking for the flag. We can type cd slash root slash flag. Is it flag? Nope. Root flag. Oh, root txt. Oh, we cannot cd into it. We have to cut the result. We have to cat whatever is inside in there. So let's say cat. There we go. This is our last flag. Copy. Paste. Submit. Congratulations on completing Vulnversity walkthrough. Points earn 104. Walkthrough easy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I mean, this section for the service, even though I don't fully understand everything that's happening, you know, let's ask ChatGPT what is going on and see what ChatGPT has to say. GPT. I know it's doing something. I kind of get the gist of what's going on, but what is this doing in simple term? I don't want no hacking term, nothing too complicated. Just gonna change this because we don't want no ID. Yes, mode S bin bash, and we're gonna say bin and see what's going on. Okay, we don't need this also. Okay, let's see. In simple term, this script creates and enables a system D service that set the SUID set on bin bash. Oh, this is what I'm guessing. This is this line, which can potentially allow users to execute the shell as the root user, which is what we did. Let's see. The first line: create a temporary file with the service extension and assign it a name to the TF variable. What else? Echo service. This comment: write the following system service configuration to the temporary service file. Okay. The service section: define how the service should behave. One time it's gonna run a single. The service run a single command, and then stop. Exec start. When the service start, it run bin bash. Well, bin shell or bin bash. Is it? Okay, bin sh with the -c option to execute the command. chmod plus s bin bash. This command set the SUID on bin bash. Okay, we kind of know that, meaning that anyone who run bin bash will do so with the permission of the file owner, typically root. But since systemctl already running with the SUID, it's gonna get it from there, I'm guessing. The install section specified the service should be started wanted by multiple user target. This make the service start when the system reach the multi-user run level, which is the standard multi-user mode for Linux system. bin systemctl link the service file into the system configuration directory, make it known to systemd, bin enable the service so that it start automatically on boot and start it immediately. The effect of the script create a service that when run set the SUID bin on bin bash. With the SUID bit set, any user on bin bash will gain privilege of the file owner, usually root. This means any user can execute a shell with root privilege, which is significant security risk. This could be used to gain unauthorized root access to the system. Let's see, setting SUID on a shell program like bin bash is a major. Okay, we don't care. Well, that's it. That's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. I mean, my video are not like the other people that are on YouTube, being all professional, being all cute and stuff. Nope, that's not me. I hope you guys enjoyed this again. See you next time.